Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a little breather from the vehicle of diagnosing the idle issue and all that kind of stuff. I'm kind of stumped right now. I mean, I know I'm still going to run a few more tests to see if I can figure out what's wrong with it. For example, I'm going to probably do a test on the IAT sensor, the map sensor, and the TPS sensor. I've checked my timing and all that kind of stuff, but today is not a video about my engine. It is a video about like me gathering parts for this build. As you know, this is a vehicle from the 1990s, so it's a 30-year-old vehicle, and it's very hard to come by parts, especially factory parts. I mean, I'm still looking for like floor mats. Probably not going to find any OE floor mats or anything like that, but I'm trying to find maybe a, a new aftermarket set. That would probably be the best bet. But today I actually found something really cool, which is a used strut bar. I could have easily went on eBay and bought one of those adjustable ones, but I wanted a solid strut bar, and this was priced at a very good price online. I used Craigslist, and somebody was actually selling one of these things. As you know, EF parts are very difficult to find. I don't know if maybe it's easier for wherever you guys are, but in Canada, especially in Vancouver, it's not easy. I've been to bunch of junkyards, and they don't really have. Sorry, they don't have much EF parts. I mean, I've come across DAs, Integras, DC Integras, EG Civics, EK Civics, but it's the EF is actually getting very hard to find at a wrecker. So any parts and all that kind of stuff, it's not easy to source. Even brand new parts, a lot of it is no longer available or discontinued. Obviously, Honda's no longer supporting this vehicle. Like, they don't have the parts. Like, if you needed a new headlight, you won't be able to get it from Honda. You have to find one used, or pay a huge premium for a brand new one that somebody has hoarded this whole time. But today I picked up a strut bar, which was a really good deal. I picked it for like 75 bucks Canadian. It's a Password JDM one piece, yes, one piece solid strap bar. It's not that adjustable crap on eBay. I probably will go with the adjustable stuff in the rear. I mean, after all, this car is not going to be a track car or anything, at least not for now. I plan on just kind of restoring this car and like maybe just drive in the summer or something like that. But for now, I'm just kind of putting on things that I like on it. So I found this strut bar, and it's pretty good shape. It's obviously used, but it's not bad. And this thing retails for about, like, I think 200 bucks or something like that. And that's not what I'm willing to pay for a strut bar, especially since I'm not tracking the vehicle, and I'm not going to get the full use out of the strut bar. This is mainly like aesthetics. It's like, just to look cool with my engine bay. But the strut bar that I got is a Password JDM. Let me just grab it here. It is this strut bar here. Let's just focus the camera onto the strut bar. Hang on. So this is the strut bar here. As you can see here, it's kind of worn. I guess the previous owner or owners tightened it a lot. I mean, you can't really see in the picture, but right there, you can see it. It's dented in. It is aluminum, so I mean, it's easy to dent and damage. So like this side, it's like chipped off and all that. It's not too noticeable. Overall, the strut bar is in pretty good shape. And for 75 bucks for a solid front strut bar, I would say, is a pretty good deal. I mean, yeah, I could have probably picked up for 100 bucks 2 adjustable strut bars, and it would have done the same thing. But this one is definitely much better. And I've noticed that other people on YouTube with EFs do have this. And I've always wanted a one-piece solid strut bar. So this is a good find for me. Also, today something arrived in the mail for me. So here's the other thing that I got today. This came in the mail, so I'm gonna just open it up, and I did get this for the vehicle. So I'm just gonna get my trusty X-Acto knife, and we're gonna open this up and show you guys what I got. All right, so I'm gonna open this up right now. I did get my trusty X-Acto knife blade. It's a little worn. I've been doing a lot of cutting stuff with it, but you know. So let's set you up on the tripod. All right, so let's just get this open. They really packed this thing. Yeah, so I got this from China basically through AliExpress, and it is like very taped up, I guess. This is how they usually package stuff. So I'm just gonna cut right through everything. This is a bag. Really cute. Well, I guess they really did secure this stuff well. It's not a bad thing though. Comes with some styrofoam. Person really spent their time packing this. All right. And then it's completely plastic wrapped. Huh. So, you guys probably already can see what I got. So, I did get a set of Mugen pedals. Well, fake Mugen, I guess. But it was a pretty good deal. I think I paid like $30 Canadian for it, so can't really complain if it's fake or not. I mean, you're definitely not going to get authentic Mugen pedals for that price. But there it is. I mean, at first glance, it looks pretty decent. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, you could totally tell that the foamy material here is like not very original. Comes in a Ziploc bag for one. But I mean, it looks decent. Pull it out. So this is like an unboxing. Comes with some brackets, some screws, Allen keys. I mean, yeah, it looks pretty good. Nice stainless steel. I guess some instructions. Ooh, I ripped it. On how to do it, but it is in Japanese. Well, definitely won't understand that. Guess it comes with some double-sided tape, foamy tape. I think that's it. This is just some cardboard. I mean, as you can see in the video, you can see that it looks kind of shitty here, but whatever. I'm just gonna be stepping on it anyways. So overall, I think the construction is not too bad, actually. It's not too bad at all. It's pretty grippy, I would say. Your foot's definitely not going to slip. And I guess the clutch and brake one looks exactly the same. And this is your gas pedal. This looks kind of cheap and shitty. I actually don't know what it's supposed to look like from the pictures, but I mean, it's not too bad. Screws, some plates here. I'm guessing these are to bolt it on to the pedals. Ooh, that's sharp. yeah, I guess I'll have to figure it out later when I want to put these in. I guess I'll probably do a video on how to put it in. I'll show you guys what pedals are currently in my car. So currently it's these OBX pedals. Yeah, it's hard to see. I don't really have any lighting in here. But they're worn out. They're old. I mean, they don't even sell these pedals anymore, or would it just replace them? But they don't really look that nice, anyways. I am keeping this pedal because they've screwed it in, and I was planning on getting another footrest pedal, but like I mentioned, parts are getting very difficult to find, and can't even find one of these used, and it's very expensive. I'm not paying like $100 for just a pedal, you know, with used pedal that's like with shipping and all that kind of stuff. So they've drilled holes into it to bolt this in. I mean, it's fine with the stainless steel look. I guess it would match if I put the Mugen ones in. I mean, let's just grab one of the pedals and put it on top and see what it looks like. I mean, it is a popular pedal for people to get, right? So, I mean, it looks pretty authentic. I mean, it feels pretty good. Nice aluminum. I mean, for $30, it's not a bad deal. Yeah, that's not bad. Definitely better than these OBX pedals. Put these on there. So yeah, we'll put these in another day. Just wanted to show you guys what I got. But yeah, that's basically what I got today. Pretty excited about this kind of stuff. So I'm still gonna be looking for other parts as I'm sourcing it to complete this car. I mean, next thing I'm gonna be looking for a set of suspension. It's pretty high, I would say, like stock suspension. Yeah, I'm not riding the car with it so high. So I'm still doing research on which is the best bang for the buck. Most people say, oh yeah, get Coney yellows with ground control coilovers. It's very expensive. For a car that I'm probably not going to be tracking or driving too much, it's a little bit steep. I might just get something cheaper. I'm looking at True Hearts, but you know, if you guys have any experience with True Hearts or any good cheap suspension, maybe let me know. But for now, this is the stuff that I got. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video, and maybe I'll show you guys when I do test these sensors out on the car. But for now, I'm taking a little break from it. Gotta brainstorm to make sure I figure out what's wrong with it, and then go from there. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.